Okay, today we're going to talk about long division when decimals are in the dividend, and we're going to do the traditional algorithm for long division. So we're going to have our DMS down dude over here, and remember our steps are DMS down, so divide, multiply, subtract, and then bring down. So first, we're going to take a look at money. Money is often one of the most common places that you're going to see a decimal. So for this problem, it's $9.84 divided by 8. So first of all, anytime we're working with decimals, it's helpful to make an estimation. So we're going to look at our whole number to make our estimate. So how many times can 8 go into 9? 9 divided by 8 is approximately 1. We're going to have, yes, we'll have a decimal, but we know that our answer should be about 1. And that's important because when we place our decimal, that will help us to see. Back to our estimate, we estimated that it was about 1. Okay, so when I talk about dividing decimals, I talk about taking the decimal elevator up. So an elevator goes straight up or down. In this case, we're going to have it just go up, right? So we're pushing the elevator button. It's going to go straight up. So we're going to put our elevator button right here. So we push the button and lo and behold, that was easy, right? So my easy button would say that was easy. So we push the decimal elevator button up and our easy button is just telling us that it's just that easy to place your decimal. Okay, so now let's do our actual problem. So now that we've placed our decimal, we're ready to do regular long division. Nothing changes in this part. And our decimal is already taken care of. Our decimal will not go down here below when we're solving our problem. It stays up here. So here we go. Can 8 go into 9? Yes, it goes in 1 time. 1 times 8 is 8. Subtract and I get 1. Bring down my 8. Notice I'm not doing anything with my decimal. I've already placed it in my answer. Can 8 go into 18? Yes, it goes in 2 times. 2 times 8 is 16. Subtract and I get 2. Bring down my 4. Can 8 go into 24? Yes, it goes in 3 times. 3 times 8 is 24. And so our answer is $1.23, or $1 whole dollar. And this answer, $1.23, is about $1. All right, let's do the next one. So this one's not a decimal answer, or a money answer, but it does have a decimal in it. So we're going to estimate. So how many times does 9 go into 17? Now we know that 18 divided by 9 is going to be 2. So it's going to be pretty close to 2. All right, so we're going to push our decimal elevator button. Our decimal is going to go straight up. And that was easy, right? So we're done placing our decimal. And we are ready to continue with our division. So can 9 go into 1? Nope, it goes in 0 times. 0 times 9 is 0. Subtract and I get 1. Bring down my 7. 9 goes into 17. How many times? Just 1. 1 times 9 is 9. Subtract. We're going to need to regroup here. So 17 minus 9 is 8. Bring down our 1. How many times will 8 go into 81? It goes in 9 times. So our answer is 1 9/10. And that, oh, I forgot to do 9 times 9. Yikes, I didn't finish my problem. You got to subtract it all the way out. So 1 9/10 is our answer. All right, next problem. So we have 8 as our divisor and 73.6 or 73 6/10 as our dividend. So how many times will 8 go into 73? So 73 divided by 8 would be, if we think about 9 times 8, it would be 72. So it's going to be about 9 times. For our estimation, we estimated about 9. All right, so first we're going to push our decimal elevator button. Up we go. And then we're going to say that was easy, right? Because we've already placed our decimal. We're ready to go, ready for division. Okay, so here we go. Can 8 go into 7? Nope. 0 times 8 is 0. Subtract and I get 7. Bring down my 3. 8 times 9 is 72. Subtract and I get 1. Bring down my 6. 8 goes into 16 twice. 2 times 8 is 16. Subtract, and we get 0. So our answer is 9 2/10. Okay, now if you... All right, one more problem. So 4 and 623 thousandths divided by 3. So you're going to think in your head, how many times will 3 go into 4? Or 4 divided by 3 is going to be approximately 1, a little more than 1. So first things first, we are going to hit our decimal elevator button, and we're going to go straight up. We're going to say, that was easy, right? So we are ready to do regular division. So can 3 go into 4? Yes, it goes in 1 time. 1 times 3 is 3. Subtract and I get 1. Bring down my 6. 3 goes into 16. How many times? It goes in 5 times. 5 times 3 is 15. Subtract and I get 1. Bring down my 2. 3 goes into 12 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12. Now, don't be fooled. We did double 0 down here at the bottom, but we are not done. We still need to bring this 3 down. 3 goes into 3 1 time. 3 times 3 is 3. Subtract and we get 0. So our answer is 1.541, or 1 541 thousandths. So this is how you do long division with decimals in the dividend. And in this case, the decimals are stopping at the end of our numbers. My next video, part 2 of this, will talk about what happens if the number keeps going beyond the numbers in your dividend. So you can catch that one next. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.